I'm very proud to release the stable version of the search and filtering plugin for WP Job Manager. This has been about 2 years in the works, and I would say I've probably put in almost 1,000 to 2,000 man hours building out this plugin, but I'm really excited to get this released out to you guys finally, and I do appreciate all of the beta testers that have submitted issues to me and feedback. That is very appreciated and helpful. As you can see here, this is a demo for the Work Scout theme. I've made numerous updates and changes and fixed a lot of issues with the beta versions that is now fixed and available in the actual stable version. Few new features that we've added is the dynamic checkbox features. As you can see here, this is a dynamic checkbox for a field where you can show and hide that specific field. We also have it specifically for sections as well. As you can see here, this will dynamically show for each section as well. This is all configured under the actual field or section configuration under this checkbox drop-down where you can decide how you want it to show. A few other features we've added in there is also the Locate Me functionality. Here you can actually click on this and it will auto-locate the user based on Google Maps API. This is actually configured under the type configuration right here. As you can see, Google API key, and you can configure exactly what you want it to output, the language, a few other things. A few of the other features that we have actually fixed is some of the meta values, searching meta values and actually handling actual serialized arrays, which is just multi-value field types. So if you have your own multi-select box, it saves that as multiple values, searching through that stuff, different things like that. We've also added the tag cloud feature, which will actually output the tags based on the listings that are shown. Another feature is also the auto-sizing feature. This will auto-size based on the selected options or the values that are actually within one of the fields. Like normal, you can still move and drag and drop things around here and modify them as needed. A lot of other stuff has been added, including theme support. As you can see here, the WorkScout theme I'm demoing here, I've worked closely with the theme developers from both WorkScout and Carriera themes to get their themes very compatible and moved out here. You will have to use the latest version of both of those themes to get all of the features needed, including the homepage features, but the actual import setup will import all of these default fields set up for you, so you should be good to go. Then it should match everything they existing have already on there, and now you can customize it to your heart's desire. A few other things that we've gone through and added in there would be some of the other things like I mentioned, the search radius feature stuff, a few other things like that, and there is even additional features that we've added in there for importing, exporting, a lot of the configurations when you're configuring like the range sliders, for instance. You have some custom configurations here, and now you can import and export all of those values so you don't have to type them in over and over again. We've also added a bunch of other features in here with the actual configuration of all the field types, including like this, the search icon in the right hand corner, search icon for clearing it. There's a few other features like that that are built into this plugin now that can be used, and it does not dependent on any theme. There's no specific theme you need to have some of these features. They can be used on any specific theme. Along with that, like I mentioned, adding the additional fields, the locate fields, a bunch of those other things, I've also gone ahead and made sure that everything is mobile friendly and tablet friendly. So whenever you actually go in to view this in mobile and tablet mode, these will stack on top of each other. In an upcoming release, I will add the ability so that you can actually modify how it looks based on the actual resolution of the user screen. We also have some other features that are in the works that will be released soon after the stable release has been out for a little bit, including support for companies, as well as conditional logic to give you even more functionality and features for managing some of this stuff. I can't wait to see what you guys have come up with this, and I'm really excited for this. It's been a very long time in the works, and I do appreciate all of you guys bearing with me while I was working on this, and hope to hear from you guys and see what kind of great things you come up with. Thanks.